Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the amount of memory that's consumed by Intellij. Viewing the amount of memory will help you track whether your Intellij instance is going to crash or not. So I'm going to go to File, Settings, and in Appearance we have an option called Show Memory Indicator, and I press Apply, and when you do that you will see your the amount of memory consumed by Intellij. It's now 225 out of 725 megabytes. You can actually increase the amount of memory that is allocated to Intellij. In this case I have 725 megabytes, a maximum of 725 megabytes it's allocated to Intellij. You can actually increase that amount. There is a file called idea64.exe. It's a VM options file. So right now it is 750 megabytes. I'm going to increase it to like 1500 megabytes. That's the maximum amount of memory that can be allocated to the Java process associated with Intellij. So I'm going to increase it to 1500, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to restart Intellij. So I have this option called invalidate caches and restart. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to just restart it, and we'll wait for it to restart, and you will see that once it's restarted, the amount of memory that's used by Intellij will go up. So as you can see, the amount of memory has gone up to 1466. So it never uses the maximum amount of memory that's allocated to it, but it can use up to that amount. So this is how you view and modify the amount of memory used by Intellij.